So today we are celebrating all things Mario here at Jim Scott for our second annual Mario Day event. It is a STEAM-powered event, and we really wanted to incorporate STEAM to get the community into the building and have the kids look at Mario in a different light through a STEM lens. Some of the activities that we have to offer this year are, we have a Mario Kart quad car that was actually engineered by one of our tech educators. We also have a claw machine that was engineered from scratch from one of our tech educators at Hybla Valley. We have an obstacle course where you can go into the Mario pipes and just crawl through and feel like you're immersed in the game. We have an arts and crafts table. We have Yoshi Bingo, where you yell out Yoshi instead of yelling out bingo to make it a little bit fun. We have a photo booth. We also have carnival games and RC Mario Kart racing. For our second year this year, we wanted to level up the event by bringing in some community partners. We have 3D Herndon here. We have the Lego store from Tyson's that are also supporting us, and Guardians of the Galaxy, formerly Ecologicals. They are all here to help us elevate the event and bring Mario World to life.
Overall, it's a very fun theme because it involves games, messing around, trying to win prizes, and just overall having fun. Today, I am one of the many volunteers that are helping out and making sure that everything's going smoothly. We went up to it this year by including way more things, being more detailed with cutouts and stuff. So next year, I think it's just going to be we're just probably going to try and one-up it again and make it even more fun.
So this year is even bigger than last year. I can only imagine the potential that next year has. We're going to level it up to another level, even more. If you'd like to attend, be on the lookout next March. And if you'd like to volunteer for us, you can go to the volunteer management system and register as an NCS volunteer.